guys, today I will be doing a chocolate chip cookie recipe. Here are the ingredients. Tap the link down below for the ingredients, the baking time, and tips on this recipe. Like if you think cookies are good, but like and subscribe if you think brownies are better. I like brownies better. It's just a preference of mine. You can like whatever you like. You might like something different than me. I might do a recipe on brownies, like if you think that is a good idea. To get started, first you will preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will grab a bowl, put an egg, white and brown sugar of the measurements in the link down below, and vanilla. Mix that until that is well combined. While that is there, you will put flour, salt, and baking soda and sift that and put that in the bowl and mix that until that is combined. Make sure it's not too sticky, and then add the chocolate chips, mix that. Then put it on a tray and put it in the oven to bake for 7 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Ooh, they look delicious. Wait until they are cool to the touch to try one of your delicious cookies. These are good. Hope y'all like this recipe. Bye.